How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to get verified for your TikTok shop account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and all you guys have to do is, well, honestly, the first thing that you have to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your TikTok account. And once you guys are on the homepage, you want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen till you see the profile icon. So you want to click on it, and then you want to click on the business suite. So this should redirect you to a page that's associated with your TikTok shop or your store for digital products or whatnot. So from here, you could either you could click on business registration, and you basically agree to the terms and whatever. Click on register now, and just follow the on-screen instructions. So basically, fill up the form and input the corresponding and correct information in the boxes below. So stuff like your business address, your country region, your business name. So basically just follow the on-screen instructions. And what's going to happen here is TikTok's going to send you an email. So the email that's tied to your TikTok account or your business account to verify that is actually you who's setting up the store. So what you need to do is open your email from there and give it authentication. And when you do, you get to verify your access and hit save, and you guys are ready to use your store to sell products or digital products. And it's honestly that simple. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.